There are many people who like to make noise when they help someone or when they are making kind of benevolence. In fact, many people like to do that to show to make many noise publicly to show that, oh, I'm rich, I'm giving, I'm generous. But if the world is doing like, is acting like that, you and me as Christians, we have to follow the example of that lady who give with her heart, with the discretion, with humility. We have to learn to give to people with humility, not through noise and stupid stuff. It was a word made flesh, Luke 21, verse 1 to 4. Amen.